Alright, pick it up. Just pick up the phone. Don't pull out of the. Pick up the phone, and then just you gotta take it. When you do it, you gotta take it all the way back. Like bring the number all the way back. So start with a 6, and then bring it. Now push it. Yeah, and let go of it. Man, Codester, you're a pro at this.
This takes way too long.
No kidding. I don't understand why you want to do it.
Because I've never used one though.
Where's your phone?
In my pocket.
Alright, try it again. Try it again with my number. 655.
Getting pretty nifty at this.
What's my number?
7063. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not ringing.
I'm about to receive a call. Good job, Cody.
Yeah,